So, hello friends, this is Rahul Chaudhary, and today we are going to see a basic program using tuples. So, basically the summary of this program is we are taking a input from the user and converting that user input into a tuple, and we are finding the length of the tuple. So let's start. So here we have taken a variable in which we will taking all the inputs from the user. So input here we are taking the element that should be present in the tuple from user, and each and every element should be separated by commas. So after the user entering all the elements that they want in the tuple, we will move further. Like as we all know that anything that has been given by the user is in the form of string in Python. So we have to convert it into tuple. So we have created another variable called user tuple, and we are converting the strings that is provided by the user into tuple on the basis of split, that is the inbuilt function, and we are splitting each and every element on the basis of comma that we have set to the user to input, like after every element that the user will input, after every element there should be a comma. So we have given this instruction only for that, so that it would be easier for us to split and take out a single element from the entered data set. So here we have converted all the user input into tuple. Now we are displaying the tuple. Print your tuple is user tuple, where we have stored the elements as tuple. Okay. Now the last step is we are calculating the length of the length of our tuple. Basically, for an example, if the user have given us elements like Raj, Rahul, Rohan, and Rohit, then the length of the tuple should be 4. So this len is a keyword, and it is an inbuilt function in Python which will calculate and return us the length of the tuple. Like in the before example that I have given, the result should be 4 in that case. And here we have entered the variable in which we have stored our tuple. So let's run this program. So here it is written, enter elements for the tuple separated by commas. Let's give that Rahul, comma, Raj, comma, Rohit, comma, Rohan. The same example we are taking here, and we are pressing enter. So here we are getting your tuple is Rahul, Raj, Rohit, and Rohan. So here the system, here in the syntax, this is the main reason that's the compiler is able to separate each and every element that is given by the user. And we have also got our length of the tuple as 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video.